2005 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, traction control, four-wheel ABS, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.